warm one as we are now in mid-December or mid-September. Gosh, September. I don't even know when it is now.
That's all right, but we are ending summer, believe it or not. I mean, astronomically, because we technically count September 1st as the start of fall. So we are going to see fall-like temperatures next weekend, but in the meantime, I want to show you water vapor imagery where we were depicting more of the moisture in the atmosphere, and not a lot, unfortunately. You can see there wasn't a lot of greens, and that is pulling up the moisture in the atmosphere, but this is the upper level system that we had over us that was trying to squeeze out some of that moisture, and you can even see that counterclockwise flow with that area of low pressure. But we did get a little bit of rain. Most areas only received a trace amount, and we certainly need the rain. When we go back to June the 1st, we've only had just over 10.5 inches of rain, and really at this point we should have over 14 inches of rain. So that puts us in a deficit close to 4 inches, and we are going to be moving into a very dry stretch. Right now the air temperature is starting to fall because of the clear skies. 57 degrees right now in Muncie. It's 58 in Bloomington, 56 in Greencastle. Temperatures will continue to fall into the low 50s, perhaps a couple of upper 40s flirting with that 50-degree mark, but nonetheless it's going to be a cool start tomorrow morning. The wind will be out of the north. That's going to continue to keep that dry air in place, so very comfortable humidity, dew points in those mid-40s, and we will see brilliant sunshine tomorrow. A few clouds move in the afternoon. Highs step out into the low 70s, so that's several degrees below average, but we're going to see the warming trend continue as we start off just this last week of summer. The autumnal equinox arrives on Saturday morning at 2:49, so we'll have the equal amounts of darkness and light on Saturday. So we'll look towards that, but in the meantime, this cooler air mass over us is going to continue to lift off to the north. The warmer air, this ridge in the upper levels, will start to push farther to the east as we go into the middle of the work week, allowing temperatures to warm back into the 80s. So the next several days, we're actually going to be quite a few degrees above average into the low 80s, where we start to see that average dropping down closer to 77 degrees for that average high. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll see sunshine all week long, high of 73 for tomorrow. We get closer to average on Tuesday with a high of 76 degrees, perhaps a sprinkler to Tuesday night. We'll keep you updated on that, but for the most part, we do expect the week to be mainly dry. 83 and the high for Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So unseasonably warm air, not record-breaking warmth, but nonetheless, we're going to see a very warm pattern all the way into next week. Jenny?